Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica Wanjiko, and on this channel we learn about lifestyle, about food, about nutrition, about how to do organic farming. And today I'm gonna share a video on how I style my natural hair and how I go about doing some flat twists so that when I style my hair it looks nice and presentable. So in front here I've done some twists. So I'm gonna keep these ones for this stuff, but to the sides and at the back I wanna do some flat twists. So I'm gonna partition my hair to the side into two lines, and those are the lines that I'm gonna do flat twist on. So I'm gonna segment it to halfway, because I want once I style it, the lines will come to the top of my head. So that's the style I'm looking for. They will end here at the top of my head. So I'll do two lines. This is one of them, and I have it as clean as possible, like that. Then I'm gonna use one of my bands to hold it. So I'm gonna do the same on this other side. Then I'm gonna show you how to do the flat twists. So these ones, they don't take much time, and you can easily style them before work or in the evening. Then wrap up your hair through the night, and then in the morning you're ready to go. So for me, this is in the morning. I'm doing them just before I head out. So as I said again, I want the lines to end at the top of my head, so that's the style I'm going for. So I'm gonna be showing you also how the products that I use on my hair for strength, and so that it's easy to detangle. If you have kinky hair and it's hard to detangle, I'll show you some of the products I use to help me comb through my hair easily. So yeah, we have those two sections. So now I'm going to start the flat twists on this side. So I'm hoping to be able to demonstrate how I do it. So let me hold these twists away so that they don't get in the way. So I also did these twists myself, so I don't want to take them out yet. So on this, you partition a small piece of hair like this and another section. So one hand will hold the first piece and the other one will hold the next one. Then the first piece, you tuck it under and roll and hold it under. Then the second piece, the same way. So as you tuck it in, you make sure you hold all the hair together and make it tight. So continue like that up to the last portion. So it's like roll and tuck and hold it tightly. So this is where I wanted the last part for it to end. So I finish off with that twist. So yeah, that's the first one. Let's do the other one. So the same technique. you section the small part, you roll and tuck and twist, tuck and twist, tuck and twist. Let me show you the back. This is how we do the back. There's a lot of hair here which is confusing. Yeah, but that's it. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna do this side too. So you're twisting your hair. You're twisting your hair, but in a flat kind of way. So that's the trick and the technique. You twist, roll it under, and hold. So you have the last one here. Tuck and roll from the front. Yeah, so that's it. 4 flat twists. Now I can release my little twisted ones. That's how it looks at the back. I did this one and this one. Yeah, that's it. I hope you were able to follow or at least see the technique. Do kindly subscribe to my channel, like and comment and share, and I appreciate, and see you next time as we learn how to do another different kind of hairstyle. So see you then, and thank you very much. Bye bye.